Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what are the messages for you for this month or the month of July. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation, and if the reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the ascendant. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Capricorns for this month. Everyone is trying to balance or what? With the Six of Pentacles, I've got on Scorpio, I've got on Saggy, I've got here in Capri also. So Six of Pentacles, the Moon, the Ace of Cups, the Nine of Wands, the Six of Cups, Five of Pentacles, the Judgment, the Page of Wands, and the King of Cups. Okay. So Capricorns, with the Six of Pentacles, you are definitely trying to balance a situation. Maybe you're trying to balance your heart and mind, whatever it is. Definitely you're trying to balance a situation, and with the Moon being there, with the Moon followed by the Ace of Cups. So definitely there is a new beginning which is giving you a lot of emotional fulfillment, but with the Moon being there, what I feel is it is definitely the path ahead is really unknown. Okay, there is some sort of I should say there is something which you really don't know how to move ahead. Perhaps though you are trying to move in a balanced way, I can say that, but the path ahead is really unknown. Okay, so but yes, you are moving on as your intuition is guiding you to do so. Okay, that's what you are doing. It can be a love triangle for some of you with the Moon being there, but apart from that, for those of you who are who are not dealing with a love triangle, definitely it is you are being in touch with your intuition, and the path ahead is really not clear. So you are trying to balance the situation. The path ahead is not very clear, but then what I feel here is with the Ace of Cups, definitely I think the path is getting cleared with time. That's what I feel, because definitely you are getting a new beginning. You feel emotionally fulfilled. Your emotions are overflowing. It's definitely a new beginning in love for most of you. Okay, or something you are very, very emotional about. Okay, and then we have the Nine of Wands, the Six of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles. So what I feel here is there is a definitely a new beginning over here about which you are emotional, or it's actually a new beginning in love. But with the Nine of Wands, it's like you are determined to stay here, but it's been a long time that you've been waiting. So there is something here regarding which you feel as if you've not got the result. So you're waiting for something over here. I don't know what that is in your life, but there is a situation over here regarding which you are waiting since a long time. Okay. And the results have not yet come. Okay, with the Six of Cups and the Five of Pentacles being there, what I feel is it is something perhaps either related to your past. With the Six of Cups being there, it is something you have you're nostalgic about. Okay, so there is a long-standing situation regarding a reconciliation, perhaps regarding a reconciliation or something which has an connection to the past. So there is a long-standing condition situation which has a connection to the past or wanting a reconciliation. So some decision here has to be made or whatever it is, but you've been waiting over here for something to happen in a situation which is related to the past, which you have memories about. And with the Five of Pentacles, it is here you feel ignored, you feel rejected, and you feel abandoned. So there is something like that in which you're not getting the results in this situation. That's what I feel. Okay, so you've been waiting for a long time for something which is related to the past, you have happy memories with, but as for now you feel ignored and dejected, and it's sort of a loss over here in this situation. Okay. Then we have the Judgment, the Page of Wands, and the King of Cups. So definitely here with the Judgment, it's you making a decision. Now this decision can be made in a situation actually from the past, or something from the past is coming up again. It's something like that. So but it is a time to decide. Now you have to make a decision. Okay, and with the Page of Wands and the King of Cups, what I feel here is that you are making a new beginning. Okay, you're moving ahead, you're making a new beginning, taking a step forward. And with the King of Cups, okay, you're very, very emotional. It's like really very emotional about this situation. Okay, being very, very intuitive and very, very emotional over here. So definitely a new beginning is being made in a situation about which you are emotional, whatever this is for you, but the decision has to be made now. Decision is being called for regarding something. It can be a situation from the past or something similar to that, but then yes, you are making a new beginning in this direction. Let's see what is the message from the Three of Clubs. So this is enjoying, spending quality time, partying, happy times. Guidance from the angels, the guidance of abundance has, the guardian of abundance has popped up. This is the time of great success for you. All your plans are blessed and will move forward perfectly. Unexpected job opportunities arise in the near future. Make sure to accept them. This card indicates that someone with an amazing career is involved in the situation. This is a powerful person with great integrity who enjoys hard work. This person could be you. So Capricorns, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.